little message from the Whistleport Army, the Yellow Army. We have enjoyed this journey together over years as CSK has given us a lot to celebrate over a decade, a lot of life lessons, and they are a part of our family. As fans who love CSK, we would love to take this opportunity to say we are always with the team, irrespective of the results. We love each Super King out there. We love the team. For our allegiance is for the Chennai Super Kings, and our love and support for the team will only grow stronger when we go through a rough season. We'd love to hear a few words from you for our fan community.
Well, the CSK fans have been great, and I always said they are amongst the fans that really understand their cricket, and they're slightly different in that, and also the fact that when you go through a rough patch, and that's a time the fans that are sticking to you are the real fans. Yes, it's not like they won't be disappointed. It's not like they won't criticize you, but it's always constructive criticism that really matters. So I feel we are blessed to have the kind of fans that you really want to have. Yes, they want CSK to be at the top throughout. They want us to keep doing well, but when you're competing against the top 7 or 8 teams, it's not a guaranteed thing that you'll always win or you'll always do well. At times you're not at your best. At times the conditions are not favoring you. And in the game of cricket, what we have seen is at times luck also matters. So there will be times when the results won't go your way. And that's a time when we come back to the drawing board. We focus more on the process. And that's where the fans also come in, because that's the time a team needs that real support of the fans. And I believe that's what the fans have shown, irrespective of the result. They are always with us, irrespective of where we are playing, who we are playing against, they'll always been there. So, that's a good thing of, having real fans, who really understand the game of cricket and who are always there for you, as a team.